cat's kneading behavior is a fascinating display of comfort and affection. When a cat kneads with its paws, it's often a sign of relaxation and contentment, harking back to kittenhood, when they kneaded their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. As adults, cats need to express trust and bond with their human companions. This behavior teaches us about comfort and the need for connection, reminding us to nurture relationships and seek moments of calm. It also shows the importance of creating spaces where we feel safe and secure, just like cats do.